Okay, this guy, I'm gonna turn him on. On. So basically, these things, I think they're supposed to snap in here. And it's, let me see if I get it. Okay, I got it there. So now I'm gonna turn it on again. So it used to just sew one buttonhole and then it would stop. But now it doesn't stop. And unless I turn it off, it just keeps sewing this button like over and over again. So I'm trying to figure out how to get it to just sew one button again. That's the main issue. Let me know if there's more video I can take to help.